Hey guys, so welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video we will create a new morphism social buttons using only HTML and CSS. As you guys can see on my computer screen, we will create this amazing effect, and I will show you here. When I hover on it and click on the icons, it shows amazing effect. As you guys can see here, it looks really very attractive, very amazing, and using some simple CSS properties we will create this amazing effect. Yes, so video is really very informative for everyone, so please make sure to watch complete video till the very end. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So here in my VS Code I have already written some basic syntax of HTML. So here now first of all I will define a div class with class name container. So here I will use mad shortcut. So here I will write div.container and the class div class is created. So here whatever I do, I will import a social media icons in the link tag. So first of all I will create link tag ahref, and here also I will give the class name, and here I will write button, and now I will import the social media icons. And before this line you guys have to import the link of social media icons from font some website. So here I have already put this link here, so I will provide this link in video description so you guys can easily use it. Okay, so here in the class I will write fa, and now I will give the social media icons name here. So first of all I will write Facebook, and also I will give some styling here to just change the color. So here I will write color 3B5998. So just save it, and here I will show you the output. So as you guys can see here, we have successfully imported our social media icon Facebook, and also we have changed the color here. So like this we will import some more social media icons. So here I just copy this and paste it below, and here all what I have to do is to change the social media icons and colors. So here I will write Instagram and change the color C558E9, and here I will write LinkedIn and change the color 1E5AE7, and at last here I will write Twitter and change the color 0E768, and just save it, and I will show you the output here. Wow, so our social media icons are successfully imported. So here we have completed our HTML code, and now it's time to style our code. So let's start the CSS code. So first of all here I will write body and change the display property to flex, and also change the flex direction column, justify content, center, align items also center, and now here I will give height. So here I will write 100 VH and width 100 VW. Also change the background color. So here I will write hashtag E0E5EC. So just save it, and our background color is successfully changed, and also our social media icons comes at center. So now here I will write container, and here I will change the display property to flex direction row, and justify content I will change the property to space around, align items center, Now I will give height and width. So height 100 pixel and width 450 pixel. Also I will give position relative, and first of all I will show you the output. See, our display property and other properties are successfully applied on our social media icons. So let's go. So now here I will write the most important property in this video, which is box shadow. Because using box shadow we will create a new morphism effect in this video. So here I will write box shadow, and now first of all I will give some values: -7 pixel, -7 pixel, 20 pixel and 0 pixel. Now I will change the color. Similarly I will write some more values to create a new morphism effect. So here I will write -4 pixel, -4 pixel, 5 pixel, 0 pixel, and color same. Again 7 pixel, 7 pixel, 20 pixel, 0 pixel, hashtag 0002, 4 pixel, 4 pixel, 5 pixel, 0 pixel, hashtag 0001. Actually you have not to learn all of these properties. You can just practice and apply, and okay. So here I will write 0 pixel, 0 pixel, 0 pixel, hashtag F9. Insert 0 pixel, 0 pixel, 0 pixel, 0 pixel. Also here I will write one more value, 0 pixel, and now change the color. Again insert 0 pixel, 0 pixel, 0 pixel, 0 pixel, F9, and one more time 0 pixel, 0 pixel, 0 pixel, 0 pixel. Transition box shadow 0.6s, and also I will give one more property, cubic Bezier. Here I will give some values: 0.79, 0.21, 0.06 and 0.81, and border radius 25 pixel. So just save it and let's check the output. I think we have done some mistake. Let's check out. Oh, here I will write pixel, and now save it and check the output. Wow, now it looks great, really. So now here I will write dot button, height 55 pixel, width 55 pixel, border radius 15 pixel, and background hashtag E0E5EC, and also change the display property to flex, and flex direction column, justify content center, align items center, and again box shadow property, which is same. So just copy this and paste it below. And now here I will also change the font size to 30 pixel, and color RGBA 42, 52, 84 and 1, and one more property, text decoration. So let's save it. Wow, it looks really very amazing. As you guys can see here, And now we have just add one more property. So here I will write dot button, and here I will use the pseudo class active, and now I will give box shadow property, and here I will give some values: 4 pixel, 4 pixel, 6 pixel, 0 pixel, RGB है 255, 255, 255, and opacity 0.5. Again -4 pixel, -4 pixel, 6 pixel, 0 pixel, RGB है 116, 125, 136.2. Again inset -4 pixel, -4 pixel, 6 pixel, 0 pixel, RGB है 255, 255, 255, and opacity 0.5. One more time, inset 4 pixel, 4 pixel, 6 pixel, 0 pixel, RGB है 116, 125, 136, and opacity 0.3. 125, and just save it, and let's check the output. So when I click on these social media icons, wow, as you guys can see the effect here. Wow, this effect looks very amazing, very attractive. As you guys can see here, this looks really great. So using simple CSS properties, simple box shadow property, you can create these type of amazing effects. So I hope this video is helpful for you. So please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. And now I will consistently upload some more amazing content. So stay connected, and I will put the source code link of this video in video description, so you can also check out. Okay, so thanks for watching.